Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how you can change username on Snapchat. So for this, let's open our Snapchat app. Click on your profile button on the top left corner and now click on settings on the top right corner. Now here we have this username option, so click on it. Now here we have this option change username, so click on it. Now one thing that you need to remember is username can only be changed once in a year. By clicking on continue, you agree with this and from here you can change your username. You can only choose a username which is available right now. And now click on next. Now here you need to enter your password. And after that simply click on confirm. Now here you need to click on continue that you are sure to change your username and it can be only changed once in a year. So click on continue. And now your username is changed. So in this way you can change username on Snapchat. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.